Hello, world. We're here today. It's Adam. I have another story for you with my little friends, the five little monkeys.
Yes, yes, we are monkeys. Yes, we do. We like monkeys. How about you?
I like monkeys. How are you guys today?
We are really good. It's me, Thumpkin.
And me, Finger. Me, Meddler. Me, Oh. And me, Pinkerton.
And guess what? I heard there's a new friend coming on today. Maybe somebody who can teach us a couple things today?
Yes, are you ready, world? Here it is. It's my friend, the pug.
Ah, Pug, that's adorable. Look at you. You are an adorable. What do you want? What's your name?
Well, I'd like to be called a different name today. It's gonna be Bistro.
Bistro. Okay. Nice to meet you, Bistro. What do you want to teach us today?
Well, if I can just take the camera for a second here, I'm gonna just tell you a few things about pugs. Pugs are adorable,
Yeah, we like that.
and they make cool noises.
But we like that too. What kind of noises do you make?
We say woof and roof and all sorts of things.
Well, thank you, Bistro. You're kind of cool. What else do you want to do?
Pugs are adorable, and if you treat them right and feed them really good food, they'll become even cooler pets.
Okay.
Well, we like that too.
I once ate a whole banana with my face.
Don't you normally eat food with your face?
Oh, that's right. I guess I do.
All right. Well, that's kind of cool. Anything else you want to teach us today, Bistro?
It is. Of course I do. I want to teach you all about taking dogs for walks. They're really good. You take them, and then they're happy.
Oh, you're happy. That's really nice to know. It's kind of a crowded screen with all you guys in here, isn't it?
I see some kids out there.
Yeah, those are some of the kids that I work with. They're kind of fun.
I kind of like them. They're pretty cool.
Yes, they are pretty cool.
I really like them. Hello. Hello, world.
Yes, it is pretty cool. Any other things that you want to teach them, Bistro? While you have a little time, we have probably time for, one more thing.
Okay, here's the thing. If you have a puppy, make sure you let them get lots of sleep. Because if you don't, they get crabby, and then their tail won't wag as much.
Oh, okay. That's a really good point. So having puppies get good food and good sleep helps them be happier?
You got it there, mister.
Well, all right. Thank you.
And thank you for coming on the show.
Yes, thank you so much. We love when there's pets here. Whoa, bye guys. We love when there's pets. We love when you can entertain the kids. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your pets. They're wonderful. Feed them, take them for walks, give them lots of love, and they are wonderful.